Alright, the lighting appears to be a little bad. It's making the car look yellow. I thought now would be a good time of day. We got an R34 automatic coupe turbo GTR look. Do a quick walk around. It has Nismo style fiberglass side skirts. It's got the fiberglass GTR look bumper on it. I will get down and show you more in detail. As you can see, the bumper is fiberglass. It does have plenty of defects in it. The lip is just molded on, and then this bottom is molded as well. That's one, yeah, it's all one piece. So that was taped off and painted to give it more of the GTR style lip, like the silver and the black one there. The actual, it's got some damage there, and there's pit marks in it. It lines up decent. The body line is not that great. It's sticking out a bit, so it can probably do for a better fitting. I'm sure that's the molds more than the install job. This is stuck on to give it the GTR look, but it is the R34 bonnet. Brand new intercooler, chips. Oh no, that rubbed off. A little bit of orange peel here. The pit and the paint there. Coming onto this side, still sticks out a little bit, but not as bad as the other side. I mean, it's a probably fresh molded bumper. I mean, it doesn't look like it's ever been cracked, or there's no repair marks in the fiberglass. I mean, these are gonna break so easy regardless. I mean, even my GTR, I broke my bumper pretty quickly. Bumper is good. So the hood, I don't see any that came off. I mean, I washed the car and brought it inside, so I did see plenty of rust on the body the client knows about. I'll get to that. All right, the fender all down the side of the car is completely dent free, and that is the case on both sides. Yeah, there's tape marks, either from wax or if they repainted it. I mean, if they repainted it, they did a good job. You can see, the reflection in the window, and all down the side of the car. There's no rippling or dents. I mean, I would much rather have that on a car personally. The side skirts are screwed in. It said there was a rock chip on the window. Maybe there. If it is, it's gonna be very no, that came off. It'll be very minor. I don't see anything anything major. Up to the roof. Again, there's no cracking in the paint or the good orange peel. I mean, I do see orange peel right in this area. Maybe they didn't reach the car. You can't really see it on the camera. Maybe they couldn't reach well when they sprayed over. Back window, one of the issues are the seals all the way around. We did get the seal replaced when we purchased the car for the client. When I pop the trunk, I'll show you pretty much right here. There's a cancer spot here, and under the mirror here. Those all need to be touched upon, which the client will do. This side, I don't think it had that. No, this side was clean. Mirrors, it has a blemish. It's not focusing on that. There's a blemish right here, but there's no cracking or right there. There looks like there was a touch-up done there. Over on this mirror, not to be bouncing back and forth. Yeah, not an issue. Molding, tape lines, but the molding themselves are in really good shape. I'm sure under here is completely faded. They always put this carbon fiber look for that pillar there, but you know, everything is how it should be going down. The door has, you know, maybe scratches on the trim there from getting taken off, I'm not sure, but again, fender, good shape. The liner underbody of the car looked good, besides, you know, that mark there. Let me pop the trunk, show you that since we're on the body. All right, if I need to get the key, I might need to. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, I'm sure most Skyline owners know how bad these dampers go out. Maybe I can't even do it with one hand. Yeah, put the phone down. So the actual damper, they're not 100% shot, so the trunk will stay open. But I think there was probably a leak. There's been a rear end panel repair. I thought I put these in, I guess I didn't. I'll put them in the car later. The repair on the end panel, and it's a pretty good job. I mean, there's nothing, you know, rust or corrosion showing, but it is bowed a little bit right here. That's about it. So that wasn't like hammered out. I mean, of course the lighting is bad, but I mean, that's about it. So rear repair, a little better than a front repair, as long as it's done nicely. But everything with one hand. All right, you get in there. So, I mean, right here is just kind of a shoddy repair. It's, I mean, it's still kind of gooey in a way. So I don't know if in the future, I mean, this was probably repaired at some point, so in the future it might need to be touched upon if something comes out of that repair. This is just dirt, but it's still kind of sticky. So maybe with the rear accident, they had water coming into the trunk at some point and thought maybe they would seal it up a little better. Okay. The factory spoiler looks good. I mean, there's no covered holes that might show that there was a repair done or a former, you know, GT wing or something wasn't on there. Yeah, outside of that, everything is good. On the aero, the muffler, again, the underbody was in good shape. I mean, I think the dealer had cleaned it up, did a pretty good job. It's not hiding any, you know, corrosion bubbles or anything of that nature. Chip on the tail light, and no rust on the brake lamp. All the way around, and again, different angle in the light. This side, I do see a small run in the paint about right here, kind of like a fingernail size, or it might be actually a scratch, like in the, I'm not sure. There's like a scratch and then painted over possibly, but there's no way that's, oh, actually, no, you're not gonna be able to catch that on the camera. yeah, that's it for the outside. Really quick. Basically the wheels look great, these Wed Sports, but almost every wheel is curbed in some form or fashion. Right there, all the way around. It's almost like they were just left on their faces, chipped. But the actual finish on the wheels look perfect. And it's a shame. I mean, I don't know how easy it would be to... Actually, this wheel looks good. All right. All right, while I am by myself right now, I will do the engine start. Again, automatic. Engine starts up with no issues. 83,000 kilometers. Has gas, thank you. Oh yeah, and the AC does work good. I mean, it's already, it's not even 10 in the morning and it's already over 30 degrees. It's hot. Yeah, I mean, that's cold. Turn that off. Pop the hood. But even with the cold start, the RPMs are holding fine. I'm sure that'll calm down a little bit. No smoke. No popping out of the muffler or anything of that nature. Sounds good. I mean, it doesn't have, I mean, it still has the catalyzer and everything, so it's not loud at all. Heavy stock hood. I didn't go over the engine bay yet. I'm just doing the engine. Yeah, the Neo straight 6. We did a timing belt change, I think. I have to remember. Oh yeah. Just got the timing belt done. Scared me for a second. Sounds good. Hopefully nothing leaking. I didn't check. And nothing under the car. And it's been sitting here for probably 3 days. That's good. Okay, now the RPMs calm down. Engine sounds fine. Do a quick electronics check. Headlight. Off so I don't get exhaust smoke in here too much. Good shot. Alright. There's no clutch. What am I doing? Okay. Windows down. This one's sluggish. Still going. Windows up. This one's good, but that one's a little sluggish but working. Mirrors in, mirrors out, right adjust, up, down, out, in, left adjust, up, down, out, in. Your typical lights. Well, this one's not working. The cabin light, the reading lights work. I mean, I have checked all of the gauges, worked. The radio is this. We actually bought a double DIN for this. That's why it's inside. We're installing the new Apple CarPlay radio and back monitor, our back camera. But everything checks out electronics wise. I don't want to turn the yeah. All right, now engine bay. Again, the light's not the greatest in here, but passenger side strut. The firewall looks good. Nothing leaking. That's factory? I'm not sure. I don't think that's factory. Yeah, it's got the factory intake. That's why it's kind of muffled as far as the muffler and everything goes. Driver's side strut. Now down in the crevices. I don't know. I don't know if that looks like it's separating or if it's supposed to be like that. And this side is covered. I'm not sure it is. That's a little fishy. But outside of that, looks like the radiator support has been sprayed. I don't see any, rust or corrosion hiding under the primer or paint, whatever that is. Headlight brackets are good. New Blitz intercooler, so that's in good shape. Passenger side headlights are good. And there is surface rust on the underside of the bonnet with these holes here. Yeah, nothing to really worry about, it seems. Nothing leaking here. I mean, I would remove this cover if it was my car. All good. All right, so floor mats are in the trunk. We saw those. The driver's seat is a little faded wear there and a little fade there, but the actual seat itself doesn't have any staining or holes in it. The dashboard, as far as I saw, the whole dash is crack free. I mean, the lighting's not the best in here, so I'm not going to spend too much time just pointing it out. The gauge cluster was good. The head unit's been replaced, which almost always causes scratches here. So there's a little bit of scratching, but nothing major. There's no big kick marks. Scratch here, this is rough. I'm not sure if that's painted or if it's supposed to be like that. But not really any wear and tear on the knobs. No smell in here, luckily. This passenger seat's more worn, which is a little odd. It's a little more worn than the driver's seat. But this is plastic, so there's nothing to worry about there. The gray overhead, as well as the visors here, they're not really all that beat up. A little dark on this one. That's about it. There's not much to really point out. Now, I do have one more car I need to do the inspection on, and that is the, well, actually, I do have the Lancer too. Client's coming on the 19th to pick that up, to drive it. He drove it once, but then we needed to get a couple of things fixed on it. We got that taken care of, so I got the Bayside Blue Skyline here video coming up next. And I gotta wash this because a bird did a number on it. But I can do the video on this too because it's a pretty cool car. That's about it. Got the Lancer for sale, 2001, and the Sylvia as well as a 2001. There we go. See you later.